Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf, and this is the Star Wars Grogu Furby Furblets unboxing. Now, my voice is still a bit funny because, as you know, I had a cold, so it's a little bit better than it was, but it's still a bit weird. So anyway, this guy arrived from Amazon yesterday. I did order him from Amazon USA, and they never shipped him. My friend also ordered from Amazon USA, and theirs was shipped, and they did an unboxing a few days ago. And they were quite surprised that that mine wasn't actually shipped. I don't know why I've been having so much trouble with Amazon USA. Anyway, I found out UK Amazon has this guy, so I ordered him from there, and he was supposed to arrive on the Wednesday, but he actually came on the Monday. So it's Tuesday now, so I'm doing Thursday's video, and there you go. Right, so the box that he's presented in is very much like the Reese's Pieces Furblet or the Peeps Furblet. I think that they're doing their collaboration ones with these little windows in the front. It says Star Wars Grogu on the front and Furby Furblets, and there's a massive warning at the bottom. On the top it says Grogu phrases, peekaboo ears, force sound effects, and pretend feed. There's a cute little artwork of him on the side. And on the back you've got some pictures of Grogu from Star Wars, actual proper Grogu. Little simple cartoon pictures that are all very cute. He's chasing a butterfly, eating a frog, and he's travelling about in his little pod. And there's another cute picture of the Furblet on the side that is a nice little artwork. So let's open him up. Right. Here we go. So what does he come with? He comes with all these pointless things that you probably don't really need. Just a load of warnings. And also a quick start guide as well, which is all in green. Stand him up there. It's very Grogu coloured. So it's just your usual little manual that tells you how he works and what batteries he takes and such. Right, let's get him out then. I can't be bothered to do that, so I'll just snip it. Because it's so much easier with scissors. If I forget my scissors, then I have to just try and undo it myself. Oh, look, he's got even more on the back here. He is very well put into his package, but it's nice to see that they're using recyclable materials. So, we've got... okay, it's kind of wrapped around his feet here, so be careful when you get him out, because it is very well wrapped around his feet. What on earth have they done? Let's just snip it underneath here so I can lift him out. Okay. I don't quite know what they've done here. It looks like it's actually through his feet. So when you get him out of the box, be very careful, because this stuff that they've tied him in with is between his feet and his actual body for some reason. Oh well. Right, so here he is. Let's see what he's got to say. Some Grogu sounds. This must be him using the Force. They're quite long, the sounds. That's quite good, to be honest. See if he's got a harmony noise. Oh, interesting. Yeah, he doesn't actually have a harmony noise. There's nothing in the instructions that says he harmonises with other Furblets. Weird. I'm guessing he's the first one that's been like that. And you can also, of course, stick his ears down like this. There we go. I'm gonna do that. So that's the Grogu Furby Furblets. I think he's very cute. He makes loads of Grogu noises. If you don't know who Grogu is, you might be a little bit confused. He's basically a little baby alien from Star Wars. And he's from a series called The Mandalorian. I believe there's a film coming out as well this summer. So he's very cute. If you're a fan of Star Wars, you know who he is. If you're not a fan of Star Wars, you've probably seen him at some point. He's also known as Baby Yoda because he is a baby of the Yoda species. Yoda's species, as far as I'm aware, has no name. So there you go. If you like Grogu, I think this is a very good little collaboration with Furby and Star Wars. So I think he'll make a good friend for my Furbacker, which was the other collaboration that they did some years ago. So there you go. I like him. He's cute. I actually really like Grogu. I don't have any Grogu merchandise at all. I think I've got like a key ring. So this is my first piece of proper Grogu inspired merch, I suppose. If you want to see more videos of the Furby Furblets, you can click the boxes that come up below. As always, if you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a tip on Ko-fi or YouTube Super Thanks. Link is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and may the Force be with you.